Alright, so first of all, we need to download Blender software. You go to blender.org. Once you get to blender.org, go to download. Then you select your Windows. If you're using Mac, you select Mac. For Windows, you click on portable. It's better. Once you click on that, it downloads directly to your system. Alright, so I've downloaded mine before I can just post this. So the next thing we are going to do is go to our folder where we saved our software. Blender, this is the zip file. So you right click on Blender and extract all. Then you click extract. So once you've extracted all, you open Blender and open the application Blender and click on run. And then the next thing we are going to do is to download the add-on for GIS. So you go to the website, GitHub. I'll put the description of the website below. Alright, so you click on code and download zip. This shouldn't take time. So once you've downloaded zip, you should know where you saved your file. You can paste it in a location where you can remember. Alright, so once you've opened the Blender software, the next thing we are going to do is to click on edit and go to preferences. Under preferences, you go to add-on. Alright, then you go to install. For install, you should know the location of where your file is. I save mine under software. We have GIS and Blender GIS. Blender GIS. So you click on install add-on. Alright. So Blender GIS has been installed on your system. So if you want to locate Blender GIS, you see it on the menu here along the toolbars. And select GIS and you can do a lot of things with this. So in the next training, we'll be looking at how to download GIS software, GIS data, and also base map and a lot of data from Blender. Alright, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you get more notification on GIS and Blender and also drone mapping. Thank you so much for listening.